This is the spiciest pepper in the world, and it was created by this man.
Hello, Nas Daily. I'm Smoking Ed Curry.
Ed was an alcoholic, and the only way for him to quit alcohol was to eat spicy peppers. Every day he wakes up at 4 a.m. and starts experimenting with pepper plants. The hotter he would make them, the less he would think about alcohol. He had so many peppers that he created a hot sauce business. And that made him rich and got him a Guinness World Record. Because this pepper he made is officially the hottest in the world. This pepper is not just hot, it also saves lives. Ed's peppers are being used by scientists to help children with obesity and to contribute to cancer research. Who knew you could save a life by using hot peppers? That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.